Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage push notifications in the Instagram app on your Android phone. Whether you want fewer distractions or just better control over alerts, this video will guide you through each step. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Notifications. Next, tap Push Notifications to access all the available notification settings. Here you'll see different types of notifications, such as likes, comments, calls, messages, and more. To continue mute a specific type, like calls, tap on My Neat Flot, choose Off to disable that specific notification. Confirm your selection by tapping Turn Off when prompted. Repeat these steps for any other notification types you'd like to mute or adjust. And that's it. Now you know how to take full control of Instagram push notifications on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you next time.